Is it the right time to buy or sell Exxon stock? In this video, we'll delve deeper into Exxon. We previously released a report on our website on Friday, December 1, 2023, and now we're back with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 22, 2023, our system has categorized Exxon as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.58. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock underwent a loss of -0.98%. This means that, on average, it experienced a daily loss of -0.14% since it was labeled as a sell candidate. Currently, the stock is experiencing a downward trend in the short term, and indications suggest that this trend will continue. Over the next 3 months, there is a potential decrease of -13.09% in the stock's value, with a possible return ranging between -14.37% and -8.92%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a -1.97% change in the stock's value over the next year. This could result in a return ranging from -6.60% to 13.99%. In other words, the stock's price could range from $96.19 to $117.40 after a year. The latest update on Exxon is quite promising. On Friday, the stock gained 0.243%, making it a green day for Exxon. During the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a day low of $102.22 and a day high of $104.22. It ultimately closed at $102.99, showing an overall increase from the previous day's price of $102.74. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has experienced some downward movement, but it is still up by 0.52%. It's important to note that the volume of shares traded decreased by -10 million on the last day, with a total of 18 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.84 billion. This decrease in volume on higher prices could be a potential early warning for changes in the coming days. Looking at the bigger picture, the stock's highest price in the past 52 weeks was $126.54, while the lowest price was $98.02. At the moment, the stock is trading at a price that is 18.61% or $23.55 below its 52-week high of $126.54. It's worth noting that this 52-week high also represents the all-time high for the stock. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, November 10, 2023, Piper Sandler gave ExxonMobil an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Bernstein gave ExxonMobil an outperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, October 27, 2023, CFRA gave ExxonMobil a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Bernstein gave ExxonMobil an outperform grade with an initialize action. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Wells Fargo gave ExxonMobil an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Exxon stock a strong buy rating overall. They rate the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Today, we're going to analyze the signals for Exxon stock. On Wednesday, November 29, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 0.635%. According to the signals, we can expect further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. So, it's important to closely monitor the stock. However, there are also some negative signals to consider. The Exxon stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a more negative forecast for the stock. Furthermore, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average being above the short-term average. In terms of resistance levels, we can expect some obstacles at $103.50 and $106.16. If the stock manages to break above any of these levels, it will issue buy signals. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots also show a buy signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 17 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 8 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 43 days ago. If we consider the relation between the short and long moving averages, it shows a buy signal from 40 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average provides a buy signal from 22 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 22 days ago. Moreover, the relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 22 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Exxon. When it comes to support, Exxon has found a strong level at $102.74. This is important because when a stock tests its support level, it often leads to an upwards reaction. So, if you're considering buying, this could be a good opportunity to do so. Moving on to risk, Exxon tends to have very controlled movements. This means that it's considered a low-risk stock, especially with good liquidity. Let's talk numbers. In the past day, Exxon's stock price moved $2 between its high and low points, which is equivalent to a 1.95% change. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.93%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Exxon, let's start by understanding some key fundamental data. The price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio, is an important metric that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A low PE ratio may suggest a lack of optimism about the company's future or indicate an undervalued stock, which could present an opportunity for investors. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.21. Keep a close watch on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Exxon. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for Exxon is at $106.47. If you currently don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, you could consider this level for swing trading. On the downside, Exxon encounters its first support level at $102.74. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The average rating for Exxon from multiple analysts is considered to be a strong buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On November 27, 2023, Fox Leonard M. conducted an insider sell of 4,239 shares of common stock. On November 6, 2023, Jeffrey W. Ubben made an insider buy of 50,000 shares of common stock. On November 6, 2023, Jeffrey W. Ubben made another insider buy of 50,000 shares of common stock. Additionally, on November 6, 2023, Jeffrey W. Ubben conducted a third insider buy of 150,000 shares of common stock, without par value. On September 5, 2023, Darren L. Talley conducted an insider sell of 1,500 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be positive with a ratio of 88.386. In total, insiders have purchased 22,066,272 shares and sold 1,655,760 shares within the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Exxon stock a good buy? Exxon currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a downward trend. This suggests that its performance will likely be weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For Monday, December 4th, we anticipate Exxon to open with an increase of $0.152, starting trading at $103.14. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock with you. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful time ahead. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.